Apollo 7 is scheduled for launch at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Staging will occur at 2 minutes 27 seconds into the flight, with S4B ignition coming 4 seconds later. At 2 minutes 46 seconds of flight, the launch escape tower will be jettisoned, pulling the boost protective cover from the spacecraft. Initial orbit, achieved at 10 minutes of flight time, is expected to be 123 by 153 nautical miles. Near the end of the first revolution, an S4B propellant dump will increase apogee to around 171 nautical miles and perigee to around 127 nautical miles. At 2 hours 55 minutes into the mission, or ground elapsed time, the spacecraft LEM adapter panels open. The spacecraft then separates from the S4B by firing the service module reaction control thrusters. 50 feet away, a short slowdown firing will take place. The crew will then pitch the spacecraft to face the S4B. Another short burst will stop the spacecraft velocity in relation to the S4B. This will allow the crew to station keep and take pictures of the spacecraft LEM adapter. At 3 hours 20 minutes ground elapsed time, or GET, a 7.5 feet per second retrograde burn will be made to set the stage for a later rendezvous with the S4B. This retro firing will cause a very small orbital change between the spacecraft and S4B, but during the next 23 hours will put enough distance between the two vehicles to require rendezvous techniques for rejoining the S4B. The first of 2 Service Propulsion System firings involved in the rendezvous phase will take place 26 hours and 25 minutes into the mission. This SPS, or Service Propulsion System Burn, will help set up the proper angles and distances required for a successful rendezvous. The second rendezvous firing will be made at 28 hours into the mission, after which the Apollo crew will begin visual tracking of the S4B to complete the rendezvous. A number of small braking maneuvers will